very often overlooked, this spring. It's from the side stand, and see, it always goes around this. So what I'm gonna do is take the spring off and put some special grease in there too. Easy job. Even kijken. A way to get the spring off is get snaptang up. See? Easy. And as you can see, it's already a bit rusty. So take my EP grease. Help. Bit in there. So I'm gonna get the side stand off. I give that a lubrication too. On the back is a 10mm nut. Even kijken, die kant daar. Here we got the nut, the blocking nut. That bolt is Torx 45. So, no. Of course, that is Loctite, as usual. Hopefully, yes, gets out. Then this one. So we got it out now. As I already knew, it's, oops, as you can see, it's bone dry. Terrible. So now, where is the bolt and the beautiful? See, this is, shoot, yeah. Let's take care of this. So, I cleaned the side stand and the bolt. Now, I do the same over here. Oh, wait a minute. Hopefully you can see it. There is some stuff in the switch. Yes, netjes. It's out. Then gonna give this one a good swing too. Hey. Wait a minute. Old grease in here too. So. Okay. Yes, this looks good. We're gonna use the same EP2 lubrication grease. Hop. So we do the same thing with our, especially in here. It's really important. This really is sticky grease, you know. Yep. So be sure it's everywhere. I've been everywhere. Then we do the same on the back here too, and here. Now listen good, guys. As you can see, there is a hole, and on that switch over here is an iron pin thing, and it needs to be going into that hole. Hop. See? Now it's perfectly. I need something to keep it up like this. That will work. Yep. Now we have that sliding thing. We're gonna grease that too. There are 2 threads. Wait a minute. So now we have Loctite. It needs, if I'm well, and I see there was Loctite over there and over there. So we're gonna put Loctite. Come over here. And some over there, bit here too. Okay, now hop, 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 hop. If you can see it, hopefully you do. If you don't, trust me, I know what I'm doing, I think. Huh? Yes. Oh, be careful. You push the switch away. Yep, and now the switch is back in place. And then hold the switch in place, huh? So, and then okay. Over here we got the nut. Yes. Okay, then. Oh. So, hop. This one needs to be torqued with 40 Newton meters. So, 40 Newton meters. Let's see. Oh. Torque right. Even kijken. Zo. Nope. Need the extension. Then 40. Let's see. 40 is exactly up here. Okay. Yes. Back and a bit up. Okay. Zo. Ta-da. Torqued. Now let's see. Oh. That's much better. It still has some play. I guess all the side stands has. Now it's again nicely in the middle. Stuck in the middle with you. And then over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, back on. Hey, yes, old mechanic, you did it again.